Neil from Essex here to show you another cool upgrade kit for your Kubota BX series tractor. This is coming from Mitch Shellenberger, who we introduced you to a couple of weeks ago here. He came out with a really cool and innovative seat for the BX23 tractor loader backhoe. This is coming from the same guy who I love how his mind works when he puts this kind of stuff together. Check out this little step for the BX and the cool way that it's been put together.
Essex, a helping hand with your land.
When you go to climb up onto your tractor, big or small, sometimes it's a chore, right? Often having to step really far up onto a machine or struggling to find good places to hang on to. And when you get onto the BX series tractor, that's no exception here. Typically, stepping on the deck's not the best idea, so we're reaching up here to the platform and we're often grabbing the steering wheel and hoisting ourselves up onto the machine. My service guys would tell you here that they've seen all kinds of stuff on this tractor actually bent from people grabbing things here to pull themselves up onto that they really shouldn't be. So we dropped the tractor off over at Mitch and had him come up with a solution, and that's this handle that you see right here in front of me. Mitch came up with a way that we can have a handle here and a step right over top of the mower deck to be able to climb up onto the machine. Now, the challenge with doing a step on a BX is to have one that's meaningfully low and large and easy to get to. It's going to contact the mower deck, which most people have on a BX series tractor. But Mitch did something really cool. He took this handle, built a little bit of linkage, and by pulling this thing in, you lift the step up and out of the way. Another cool benefit to the fact that this handle comes in is that it can be positioned out here on the outside of the tractor where it's easy to grab and you want to get it. But then as you're driving along, when you have this thing folded in, it's not going to catch things as you're driving, right? If this was sticking out here, it's super susceptible to tree branches and that kind of stuff. So bringing it back in here by the tractor's profile tucks everything in as you're driving along. So this is going to fit both the older LA243 loader and the newer LA344. It does work with both the standard and the drive-over deck. Driver deck has some extra linkage on it, but the fact that this lifts up and swings clears the rest of that linkage. The installation of this is surprisingly done with one bolt. It is that hard. On your loader mount here, there's this large hole, and Mitch has machined a little bushing here that slides perfectly into that hole in order to fill the space so we can put a bolt through it. Now, once that's done, you take your step here, and this is the side that attaches to your tractor, and you wiggle it down underneath the tractor, slide it back on this loader post, stick the bolt through and tighten it. Now, as easy as that, bolting this back into here, you're gonna notice this is good and rigid now. And a lot of the reason for that is because the way the profiles are cut here, the step fits the contours of the loader post perfectly, and it uses this for a lot of its rigidity. So the installation is literally that simple. One bolt, and you've got a good solid mount. So from a construction standpoint, it's a pretty weighty piece. There's a lot of steel in it, made to be stepped on and pulled on. You'll notice here the paint is all powder coated. It's sent out to be painted. It's not a sprayed paint finish. And the mechanism here when it moves, there's some pivoting bolts and stuff in here. If you do notice that over time one of these things starts to lose its tension and that arm wants to fall back, it's easy as getting in here with some wrenches and putting a couple of extra turns on these bolts in order to tighten the mechanism up a little bit. So that's a little bit on the step for the Kubota BX series tractor. I think this thing is super cool, and I've really appreciated working alongside Mitch on these things because of the innovative approach that he takes to these things, right? When I ask for a step for a BX, I get back this thing that folds and swings out of the way, and all the features and the utility in this thing really make a lot of sense. So these are gonna be up for sale on Essex.com. You better jump on there, make a purchase, we'll get one shipped out to you right away. So shopping for a piece of equipment where we can help or parts or service needs for a machine you've already got, give us a call. We're available at 800-222-3373 or online at Essex.com.